Our goal in finding the equation of this line is to get y equals mx plus b, which really just requires us to do two things. Find the slope, which we can get by counting rise over run, and then separately we'll find b, which remember just represents the y-intercept, where our graph crosses the y-axis. For this slope, I notice that this graph, which is different from what was on your quiz, but this graph is going downhill, so I know that my slope is going to be negative. I like to take care of that at the very beginning, before I even start counting rise and run, so I don't have to worry about positives and negatives later. So then I just need any 2 points that are on the graph. Doesn't matter at all which ones I choose, as long as they're both on the line. And then I just count rise and run. So I'm going down 4 spaces and right 2 spaces. I've already taken care of the negative, down 4 and right 2, which then reduces to give me a negative slope, as we expected, of -2. The y-intercept is even easier. It's just a matter of looking at the graph to see where it crosses the y-axis. This one crosses the y-axis at -4, and so there's our y-intercept right off the bat at -4. So then we have our answer. Y equals -2x because of our slope, -4 because of our y-intercept, and we're finished.